కూటమి నేతలు నెల్లూరులో ఎన్నికలను ఖరీదైనవిగా మార్చారని నెల్లూరు లోక్సభ వైసీపీ అభ్యర్థి విజయసాయిరెడ్డి విమర్శలు గుప్పించారు. టీడీపీ యంత్రాంగమంతా డబ్బుతోనే నెల్లూరుపైనే ఫోకస్ పెట్టిందని విమర్శించారు. తాను ఇక్కడి నుంచి పోటీ చేస్తున్నందుకే చంద్రబాబు, పవన్ కళ్యాణ్తో పాటు కూటమి నేతలు నెల్లూరుపై దృష్టి పెట్టారని చెప్పారు. ప్రజలు ఓట్లతో కూటమి నేతలకు బుద్ధి చెప్పేందుకు సిద్ధంగా ఉన్నారని విజయసాయిరెడ్డి విమర్శలు గుప్పించారు.
పవన్ కళ్యాణ్, all the leaders have come to Nellore. Why? What is the reason? Where are they focusing? It is up to them to focus on any constituency. It is their party, of course. Why only Nellore? Because they are focusing on Nellore because they are spending thousands of crores of rupees for the elections in Nellore parliamentary constituency. Because it is Vemreddy Garu is going to invest so much of amount for himself and for his wife, and Narayana is contesting here, and entire Telugu Desam machinery is focusing only in Nellore Parliament. And Nellore parliamentary elections have become, they have made this Nellore parliamentary elections have become made costliest election, which is very unfortunate, undemocratic and not acceptable in the democratic elections. And our party president is coming only first time for this election campaign. Earlier for Memanta Siddham, for Memanta Siddham, he has come to Kavali and addressed the public at large. It was a huge success. And today also, when he comes to Nellore, people are waiting to listen our party president about the policies that have been introduced and implemented in last 5 years, and the policies that are going to be implemented in the next 5 years, and we will be focusing not only on welfare schemes but also on the development, and there would be equilibrium would be maintained and the balance would be maintained both for welfare as well as for development of the state.